Now we are going to start with the illustration 10. Here the question is, the following particulars relate to processing machine in a factory. There we have already discussed illustration 3. The following particulars relate to machine X. Compute the machine hour rate of the machine using the given data. Here compute machine hour rate. So when you see both the statements which has been given in statement that is illustration 3 and illustration 10, both are same, but here when we were doing the calculation in illustration 3, we have taken 52 weeks even though they are given yearly working time is 50 weeks, because this machine X that is already processed, the company is already done, so we are going to take into consideration the entire year of the calculation. But when we see in the sum, the following particulars relate to the processing machine in a factory. The machine is still under the process, it is not completely done, the production is not completely over, still the production is on. So there is a difference between processing machine in a factory and the given data with regarding to machine X. So because of that reason we have taken 52 weeks as we are considering the whole year. Here we are going to take how many weeks they are mentioned, so many weeks only I have taken into consideration, because the statement it completely tells the company is running, the mission which is running in the organization is still under the process. Fine. Now we'll start with the sum. Here first and the foremost we are going to start with the standing charges. Standing charges, first is chemical required weekly. Chemical which is required weekly, it is 40. So how much is chemicals? It is 40 into 50. It is 2000. So yearly working time, it is 50 weeks of 44 hours each. So we have taken into consideration only 50 weeks because still the machine is under the processing stage itself. So we are going to take till where the process is done, till there only are going to take into consideration. So 50 weeks of 44 hours each, that is 50 weeks is the processing of the machine is done. So 40 into 50, that is 40 chemicals which is costing 40. For how many weeks we want it? For 50 weeks we get 2000. Next one is attendant. Next one is we have 2 attendants control the operations of machine together with 6 other machines and their combined weekly wages, it is 560. So attendance wages which is 560, which is being provided on the weekly basis. So weekly basis, how many they work for 7 days. In a week we have 7 days, so the calculation should be done on 7 days. So for how many total weeks we have to work? We have to work for 50 days. So how much they are given? 560 into 50 divided by 7, I get 4000. 560 into 50 divided by 7, I get 4000. Next one is departmental overheads, that is departmental overheads allocated to the machine per annum. The departmental overheads is already been allocated before itself. So the allocation in the sense departmental overhead, there are certain expenses which has been already been allocated, telling that when you're manufacturing a product, this expenses will be included in manufacturing a product which is already been allocated, that is departmental overheads which is already been allocated, that is 4000 rupees. Now this is the standing charges. Now the next question, the next concept which you have to keep in mind is yearly working time, which is 50 weeks of 44 hours each. So how much is the total? It is 50 into 44, we get 2200. 50 into 44, I get 2200. But here they have given setting up time is estimated as 5% of the productive time and is regarded as the productive time. So what are we going to do is we are going to take into consideration this 200 also. We are going to take into consideration the setting up time, which is 200. We are going to take into consideration, but there is machine maintenance which is also given. So machine maintenance, if they have not given as productive time, they would have, here in the setting up time they have clearly stated the setting up time, it is considered as productive time. So we are going to add here in machine maintenance, they have not mentioned anything as such in the statement. So what are we going to consider? We are going to consider mission statement as a unproductive statement. So how much is mission statement? It is 200 hours per annum. So what are we going to do is, the total working hours of us is 2200. We are going to minus mission maintenance, that is 200. So the total yearly working time which we have, that is only the productive aspect, it is 2000. So effective working hours, it is 2000 per annum, which is clearly stated as 2000 per annum. Fine. Now 10,000 divided by 2000, 10,000 divided by 2000, I get 5. Rate per hour of all this is 5. As these are the expenses which is there in rupees, what are we going to do is, we are going to convert this into rate per hour in the standing charges. Fine. Next one is, we are going to start with the running charges. Running charges, depreciation, it is a depreciation, the cost of machinery, cost of machine, it is 20,000. Scrap value is given, yes, scrap value is 2000. 18,000 divided by the working time, estimated life of machine, it is 10. Estimated life of machine is 10. It is 18,000 divided by 20,000. So how much I get? 0.9. So how I did this, cost of machine which is 20,000 minus, we don't have any installation charges, so just leave it off. We have a scrap value which is 2000, so minus scrap value we get 18,000 divided by what is the estimated life of a machine, it is 10 years, into how much is the effective working hours per annum, it is 2. So it is 20,000 minus 2,000 divided by 2,000 into 10, that is 10 years, we get 0.9. Next one is machine maintenance. Machine maintenance, how much it has been given? Machine maintenance, it is 3,600. Machine maintenance cost per year, it is given 3,600. So how are we going to calculate? We are going to take into consideration the effective working hours. So 3,600 divided by 2,000, I get 1.8. Next one is electricity. Electricity consumption is 16 units per hour at 20 paisa per unit. So it is 16 into 0.20. It is 3.2. So how much we get? 0.90 plus 1.8 plus 3.20. I get 5.9 plus 5. How much I get? 10.9. 10.9 is the machine hour rate.